Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I come to you looking rather rough as per usual. It feels like for the past few videos that I've done I've just come looking rough, but today is a hair video and I am literally wanted to record this because I really obviously need to wash this head of mine. So before I continue on with the video, if I could ask you to subscribe to my channel, that would be absolutely awesome. So just hit that subscribe button down below, click, click, click. And also the notification bell, if you click that, that will notify you as to when I upload a new video. So today's video is going to be on, let's see, here we go. Oh, get it in there. So it's at the, I think this is it November? This Curlee Box thing, this is my second box and I feel like it takes forever to arrive. So I think this one is the, actually let me open it and see. Ah, so it's the December. I don't know if you can see that there. Yeah, it's the December Curlee Box. Okay, so I have opened this briefly just so I had an idea what was in it, but you know, I've not really used them anyway. That's why I wanted to wait to do this video, because I did want to use them for wash day. So I will show you what the packaging looks like inside. This is how it arrived. Well, this one inside was inside the packaging, but that's kind of what it looked like. I shall open it up. Ooh, see, I didn't open it all because I didn't know this was in there. This little pink thing at the top there, I didn't know that was in. So I don't even know what that is, so we're going to open it together. So I've got the little, what's it called? It just basically tells you what's inside. So I'm going to start off with this one, which is the first one. Obviously one that I took a sneaky peek at. So this one is the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Recipes Fix My Hair. So it's an intensive repair conditioning mask, enriched with flaxseed, mango butter, shea butter, avocado and coconut oil for dry, damaged hair and protective styling. Treat brittle, damaged hair to the benefits of Aunt Jackie's inner and outer hair deep repair recipe with omega fatty acids, antioxidants and vitamins. This rinse out formula helps strengthen and restore vibrancy. So this is the packaging here. So if I do actually try and avoid coconut oil. I mean, I suppose if it's kind of mixed in with something, I'll have to see how much of it is in, because obviously you can tell by the ingredients as to what. But I have used Aunt Jackie's products before, not this particular one, so it will be interesting to see what this one's like. But it smells not bad. That's the, don't know if you can see the consistency there, potentially, but it's just a yellow. It says it's a hair mask, and what I do find normally with hair masks are a lot thicker. Now I know I'm putting it on me, I like it's cream, but yeah, it is thicker, but not as thick as the other one that I used from another brand. I can't recall what it was called. What I'll do is I'll leave a link to that video up there, where I think it was one of the other curl boxes, and it was so thick. I didn't particularly like it. I felt like it conditioned the hair, but I didn't particularly like the texture of it. So that's that one. So I shall deep condition with that. This is the Aunt Jackie's again, so it's within the same brand. There we go. And this one is the Curl Maintenance Anti-Poof Defining Curl Whip. So I think this is like a styling aid. So again, it looks more or less similar, exactly the same as that, if I'm being honest. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, so I don't think I'm going to use this one, only because once I wash tonight, I'm actually starting what would we call a new hair journey. So I'm going to give, once I've washed it and stuff today, the conditioner, I'm actually going to give it a good cut and kind of just get rid of some of the dead ends and stuff. I might attempt to record it, I don't know, we'll see. But that's kind of what I want to do. And inside here we have a company called Flora and Curl Botanical Hair Care. It's called Hydrate Me. You see that? Let's see. There we go. Hydrate Me. And it's a it says Jasmine Oasis Floral Hydration Hair Mist. Replenish moisture in dry and brittle hair with hydrating fusion of organic rose, aloe and jasmine for all curl types. Uses to restore moisture back to hair, so it's likely to revive, rehydrate, twist, braid outs, wash and goes, and other style in between wash days. Oh, okay, this sounds good, because what I do want to try and do is start wearing my wig, so like protective style, so part of my hair journey. I want to give my hair a good cut, and then I kind of just want to braid it up under a wig, and just kind of wear it that way. But this would be kind of hopefully quite nice to, let's see if it, oh, it's quite thick. Okay, it's not like it's not like a spritz of anything. But yeah, so this might be good to kind of throughout the week when I do take the wig off, to give it a nice little bit of hydration. So we'll see how that one goes. But I like the idea of that. And this is actually a quite a good size, 250ml. You know, it's quite a big bottle. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I'm liking that. And then from the same company, oh, so this is where this comes in. Because when what, you know, all this is about. So basically we get a curly, it's from the same company, Floral and Curl. It says Soothe Me, Curl, Refresh, Clay Wash, Clarify with an all-natural conditioning clay cleanser made with organic fruit powders. So that's, can you see? That's that. So you have to do some concoction and mixing together. I'm assuming it says mix 2 tablespoons of water with 4 tablespoons of, or 2 tablespoons of powder with 4 warm water. Apply treatment to your roots. Let it sit for 10-15 minutes under plastic cap. Roots fully with warm water. Okay. So it says to use this every 2 to 3 weeks. So I don't think I'm going to use that today. So I think the only thing that I'm going to use out of this one potentially is going to be the deep conditioner. Because I'm not going to be styling my hair, I'm going to just braid it up, and I feel like if I use this I'll let you know, but I don't think I am going to. And then we got a couple of free samples here, which again is pretty good. So I've got this Jane Carter cleanse and conditioning cold wash, just like a little cold wash, a little sachet of that, if you can see. And then I've got a Kerry Care High Sheen Glossifier. Okay, so that's, let me see, there we go. And then that's everything that's inside the box. So yeah, so you know, some decent stuff in there. I just feel, the only thing I will say, I enjoy the product so far, what I've received. This is my only my second box. However, I just feel like it takes forever to arrive. You know, you get an email saying that your parcel's been shipped something like the 15th, and it takes another like 15 days to get to you. I don't understand why, because I'm assuming the company's based in the UK and I'm based in the UK, so I might contact them and just ask them the question, is this just kind of normal? I don't know. But yeah, so other than that, I will come back once I've used said products. My hair isn't, look at that, it's just disgusting. My scalp's been just horrendous over the last few months, if you like. So I'm trying to get on top of that. But yeah, I will come back once I have washed, and yeah, let you know what I think of the products. So I'll catch you in a bit. Bye. Hello everyone, I'm back just to give you a little bit of an update with the products that I used. So as I said previously, I was only going to potentially use 2 of the products, and the 2 products that I did end up using was this one, which is the Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask. As you can see, I've literally just had my hair, first of all I twisted it, and then I've just had it back for the majority of the week actually. But I did actually really like this conditioner. I did find that it left my hair really soft, which I find really difficult to get that feeling, you know, when people say, oh, it feels super soft. It doesn't always, and I think that has something to do with my ends needed trimming, which I have done. So I think the next time I use this, I would potentially see even a better feeling. But I did really like this, and I will definitely continue using this one. So that's great. Actually, even though I said I wasn't going to potentially use the other one, which was the curl maintenance, the defining curl whip, I did put it in with my twist just to see, you know, if it was soft or anything, but I didn't find that it was soft. But again, potentially it's because my end needed trimming. So my next wash day, I am going to use it again, and I'm going to see if I feel a difference using it then. But it wasn't terrible. It wasn't terrible. It was all right. But yeah, I feel like is it Aunt Jackie's Curl and Cause products? I do quite like them. So yeah, I will see how I go with that one. And what I did end up using, which I didn't think I would, or that I didn't think I would like, is this one, which is the Flora and Curl hair mist. And initially it felt really watery, you know, sometimes when you feel the products and you don't feel like there's any moisture to it. But I kid you not, it was really nice. I felt like it did actually, I focused on the ends of my hair, just obviously because I say that's where it's the driest. But I did actually quite like this. Again, I'm going to have to use it a few more times to see if it's something that I really do like. But it didn't leave my hair overly dry, which I thought that it was going to. So yeah, all in all, not bad, not bad. And then, as I say, I didn't end up using this, which is it's like a clay wash, and it comes with a bowl and all kinds of things. I didn't end up using this one. Something I will use, but just with the way my work is and stuff at the minute, I just don't have the time. I'm really busy, so I'm trying to look for quick ways to kind of make sure I do my regular weekly wash and deep condition. But at the time, I just didn't have time to to be playing with that. But it's something I will do. And that's everything. So this month's Curl Box, which was December, it wasn't too bad. I actually quite liked the products that were in there. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing what comes in the January one. Again, the reason why I wanted to try this Curl Box and like subscription system is just so I can try new products and see kind of what works well with my hair and what doesn't. Just kind of give me a bit more guidance. And what I did want to do, I'm just going to tag on the end of this video, is, you know, I know the new year is coming and everyone's, you know, new year, new this, new that. However, I feel like for me, although I feel like I do take care of my hair, I have found throughout the summer my fullness and my ends were a bit crappy, so I feel like I need to kind of not go on a whole new hair journey, but I just feel like I need to be a bit more intense and make sure that I'm trimming my hair on a regular basis or that thing. So that's something that I feel I'm going to document into the 2019, just to kind of, as I say, my hair's quite long, I don't have any issues with that, but I did lose some hair, I think it's around this area, which you can't see. I am actually going to maybe do a little bit bigger, but I think that was due to stress, so I think it was around here. So I do have a bald patch, which the hair is growing back, which is great, but as I say, I just need to focus on it, on my hair and stuff. And yeah, so I'm not going to ramble on any more about that. So that's everything. If you do have any questions about any of the products that I've used or anything like that, by all means just leave them in the description bar, so comments section below. Why would I say description bar? In the comment section below, if you've got any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And with all that being said, I think this potentially will be my last video before 2019. So I want to wish everyone out there a fantastic Christmas if you celebrate Christmas, and a brilliant new year even. I hope, you know, I hope everyone's safe out there, and you know, Christmas can be a difficult time for some people, and I know at the moment everything's Vlogmas and everyone's, oh, decorations, this, that, and as you can see, ain't no decorations in my house. You know, Christmas isn't always a positive time for me, but I'm trying to make this one a little bit more of a happier experience. So although I don't have decorations up, I am trying to keep in the Christmas spirit and just participate in the festivities. So again, enjoy whatever it is you're doing, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, and please make sure you subscribe before you click out. Just not throw that in. But yeah, thanks again, and you know, oh, I should say this, and I'm so bad. I just want to thank everyone who has subscribed and who has supported me throughout this year. I know I've not been consistent with videos as such, and that again is something that I want to try and look into more in 2019. I'd say I've got some stuff planned video wise, so I do want to try my best to grow the channel, because I really enjoy making the videos. So yeah, stick around. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do, and I shall see you in 2019. Holy shit. See you later, guys. Bye bye.